In this video, I'll guide you through how to find a file's location on Google Drive. If you've ever come across a file in search results or in a shared section and wondered, where is this actually saved, this walkthrough is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to jump from the file itself straight to the folder where it lives in your drive. First, go ahead and open Google Drive in your web browser. You can do this by typing the Google Drive address into your browser's address bar or by opening it from your Google Apps menu if you're already signed into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one, so you're looking at the right set of files. Once Google Drive is open, you'll need to find the file whose location you want to check. You can do this in two main ways. The first is by browsing. Look through your folders in the main drive view or along the left-hand side where you might see options like My Drive, Shared with Me, or Recent. This is useful if you already have a rough idea of where the file is. The second method is to use the search bar at the top of the page. Click into the search field and start typing the file's name or even just a keyword that you remember. As you type, Google Drive will suggest matching files. This is often the fastest way to track something down, especially if your drive has a lot of folders and subfolders. When you see the file you're interested in, move your mouse over it and right-click. If you're on a trackpad, this might mean using a two-finger click or holding a modifier key while clicking, depending on your device settings. The important thing is to open the context menu for that specific file. In the menu that appears, look for the option called File Information. When you hover over or click this, you'll see another option called Show File Location. Go ahead and select Show File Location. This feature is designed specifically to solve the problem of knowing exactly where a file is stored. As soon as you click that, Google Drive will automatically open the folder that contains your file. You'll be taken away from search results or any filtered view and dropped directly into the actual folder path where the file lives. You should now see the file highlighted inside its folder, and you can look at the surrounding structure to understand where it sits in your drive. From here, you can take a moment to note the folder name and, if you like, follow the folder path shown at the top of the page to see any parent folders. This can help you learn or tidy up your folder structure so you can find things more easily next time. You can also bookmark this folder in your browser for quick access later, or drag the file into a different folder if you decide it belongs somewhere else. Today, you've seen how simple it is to jump from a single file to its exact location in Google Drive using the File Information menu and the Show File Location option. Use this whenever you need to understand where a file is stored, organize your drive more effectively, or clean up duplicate folders.